What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna be using slime, and the first thing we gotta do is get the slime. So let's go.
Here's how to
Make cloud slime.
Yeah, make cloud slime.
So first, these are the materials you're gonna need. So first, we're gonna use shaving. Oh wait, no, we need glue first. Glue, and then you're gonna use your
Contact solution.
And then
Shaving cream. Yeah, shaving cream. You need shaving cream. You would need a bowl, but
we don't have one. So
yeah, we don't have one. So we're gonna use the cap of the shaving cream since we don't want to make a mess everywhere. Yeah, right here. And what you're gonna do here is you're gonna grab your glue, and it doesn't matter what amount. It just kind of depends on how much slime you want. But we don't want much. Well, yet we don't want. Yeah, just open it. We don't want much yet. Okay, and this thing could work. And you're just gonna pour however much you want. We're using pink glittery slime because we want pink slime. Yeah.
but it's probably gonna turn like a light pink. So
Yeah, it's probably gonna end up as light pink due to the shaving cream. Just kind of depends. And then usually if you didn't have any glittery slime, you would need food coloring, but since we already bought it pink, you're not gonna need it, any food coloring, because like, well, it's already pink, right? And then you're just gonna pour a little bit of contact solution and you're gonna mix it.
you can use a spoon, but I'm just gonna use my finger.
Yep. You're just gonna mix it with her finger, and if it's like if you need more contact solution, then just add more. Just do it little by little so you don't like over contact it, I guess, and it turns out literally like gross and like hard. Like we don't want that. You want it like soft and nice.
Oh no, we're gonna add the shaving cream, and that's gonna make it.
Wait, that works, right?
Yeah.
And then I think it does need a little bit more.
Yeah.
Bro, I need to sneeze. Okay. Mix it. I'm sorry. And now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your shaving cream. You're gonna shake it. Doesn't matter. I don't think it matters which shaving cream you use.
Yeah.
As long as it's like not the gel. Like it just has to be the like the like this here. Like that. It has to be like that one. Like, it looks like whipped cream almost, not the gel one. We don't want the gel one because that's not gonna work. I don't think it works.
You just mix it.
You just mix it in until it turns to slime. It's gonna take a minute or so, but sooner or later, yeah. And if it does, like usually, it's not the contact solution that helps it most. It's like it's the shaving cream, but you're still gonna use the contact solution to support it, you know.
Okay. Okay. So we're having a locker, guys. Okay. So first, we gotta get this one. It's right here. Right here, guys. Oh, there's a hair.
Miss Cardenas. Yeah, we're doing a project.
Oh, okay. It's a slime. We got it. Now we gotta record us doing something with the slime. And
Yeah, because we already made the recording of those steps, so.
yeah, so we gotta go to the gym because that's where we. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, so now we've all made our slimes. Look, mine's a little more dark pink because I don't know. I think it's because I added less shaving cream and she added more. Hers, I don't know. Hers is like a light pink. Mine's like a magenta almost, or no, like a darker pink. Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed our video.
Yay!